Children, welcome back to online class. Already in previous class studied about the parallel lines, same lines parallel to the same line. So examples and exercise problems also over. I will give the exercise problems for homework. You do the homework. Coming answer. I hope you solve that homework. Okay, children. Now next we shall go to the angle sum property of a triangle. Already you know, children, triangle. Triangle is a closed figure. Three sides, three arms is there. Okay, so which one? Angle sum property of a triangle. How to come in angle sum property of a triangle? So in before studying triangles is based on according to the sides and according to the angles. There are three types of triangles there. First one is equilateral and second one is isosceles and third one is scalene triangle. According to the angles, so first one is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Okay, according to the sides of the triangle, according to the angles of the triangle. So how to is that? You see figure triangle. Okay, how many sides is there? So three sides. So this is a edges 1, 2, 3 edges is that. Okay, this is one of the closed figure. 1, 2, 3 means arms. Okay, so sides 1, 2, 3 sides of the triangle. Next vertices 1, 2, 3 vertices and angles is there. Okay, this is one of the closed figure. Okay, you should take any sheets, you should fold. So this is one of the rectangle now. After you should fold that. Okay, children. So you see the tiles and some materials, some things is having triangle. Okay, now discussion about the how to coming in the angle sum property of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay, already you know 180 degree in 8th standard you studied about the angle sum of the triangle is sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. How to come in 180 degree? How to come? So in triangle, how many sides is there? So A, B, C. Three sides is there. Okay. So n is equal to 3 sides. Having one formula is there no? N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. How many sides is there? 3 minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 1 into 180 degree. 181 is 180 degree. Okay. This only coming 180 degree. You should copy that. So, but it is not necessary. We should continue and discussion about the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. One statement is there and proof is there. Okay. Angle you should write. Harshil, you should write Harshil, Navya, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, children. Already you know. I will explain that n minus 2 into 180 degree finish. Okay, so theorem is that theorem 3.1, 3.7, the sum of the angles of a triangle. Triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Already you know, but explain in case 2, case 1 and case 2 how coming in 180 degree. Okay, children. In interior angles is that and exterior angles is that. First, we should write draw one triangle. Children, master should use scale and pencil. Okay, with instrument box. Okay, we should draw P, Q, R. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. this is angle 3. Okay children, so there are 3 sides is that. Okay, let us prove. This is the, what is this? This is the statement. Okay, this is the statement proof. Statement after figure. Okay, figure after proof. So let us given in the statement. Let us given in the statement. The hypothesis and what hypothesis statement triangle which triangle is that PQR triangle PQR and interior angles is angle 1 comma angle 2 and angle 3 are the angles to prove what is proof. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1, where is that? So interior of the triangle. Interior is there now. This is the interior of the triangle. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay children. So in light, draw a line. Now next. So this is the first step. Okay children. This is the first step for the triangle. How to come in angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3. Now next, in extra construction is that in figure we should draw in extra one triangle PQR. Okay, so on the straight line. You should write on straight line. This is angle 4. This is angle 5. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. X, P, this is Y. Okay, this is now. Now next construction is, this is the first step. Once again, neatly drawing triangle. Okay, children. X, P, Y. This is 1. I know. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Okay. So you should write let use draw a line X, P, Y. Where is there? X, P, Y. X, P, Y parallel to which one is that? Not given. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Which one is that? P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Parallel to the Q, R through the opposite vertex. Opposite vertex P. Okay. So now X, P, Y is a line. Okay, this is one of the straight line. No, X, P, Y. Yes, this is the one of the straight line. Therefore, angle 4 here is there plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. This is the equation 1. Okay children. Now next, but x, p, y parallel to q r and p, q, p, r transversal. Transversal. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to which one? Angle 3. These are which is pairs of interior angles. Pairs of alternate angles. Pairs of alternate angles. Substituting angle 4 and angle 5 in equation 1. Where is the equation 1? Where is the here? Okay. So substitute 4 and 5 in equation 1 here. Angle 4, angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. The angles some property of a triangle. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is the scene depend upon this figure proof. Okay. So as usually all is that we should write the problem. Now next, so in extra, so here this extended in 1. So that is this is the case 1. This is case 1. Okay children. Now next discussion about the case 2. Case 2. So on case 2, you see children, case 2, so as it is triangle PQR. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. Okay. Here, so in angle vertices R is extended and this give name S. This is exterior angle is that is the 4. So you recall you all studied about the information of exterior angles. This is exterior means outside the angles triangle in earlier classes. So now only classes already discussion that side QR, side QR is produced to point S, comma angle P or S is called as angle P or S is called as exterior angle. Is called as exterior angle of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR in angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to only one angle. Exterior angle extend this PQR. QR produce the S line. Otherwise, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3 is the angle sum property of a triangle. The angle sum property of a triangle. Now next, this is the equation 1. This is the equation 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what is it? 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4, here angle 4 is equal to, this is the opposite, adjacent means opposite angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 and angle 2. So, is the proof. Is the proof. Is the proof. This is the case 2. Okay, children. So, in first only one triangle explained that, and second one case in P produce the straight line, and in third one QR produce the S line. So, explain the case 1 and case 2. Are you understood? So, in theorem 3.8 is that, okay, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angles. The exterior means outside the angles. So formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Is equal to the sum of the, so exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior angles. Means inside the angles. Okay. So you should do the home. Okay, children, you should draw the one triangle. So you should give the points in exterior and in interior. So compare to that. Okay, enough. Now next, and you should take the example. So figure 3.37. Are you understood? So easy is that you should read that theorem. Okay, children. So example 7 in figure 3.37, QT perpendicular to PR. Okay, theorem depend upon examples after exercise. Okay, so example figure 3.37, if QT perpendicular. Example 7, QT perpendicular to PR, angle TQR is equal to 40 degree, and angle SPR is equal to 30 degree. Find x and y. Find x and y. Fine. Okay. So you should draw the which figure we should draw? Which figure? Quadrilateral? No. This is drawing only triangle. Okay. P, Q, R. This is Y. This is S. This is 40 degree. This is T. This is 30 degree. Okay, solution. What is there in solution? Triangle TQR. Triangle TQ. Here is the TQR. We shade that quad. TQR triangle. 90. Okay, which symbol represent 90 degree? Nothing but right angle triangle. Is equal to 90 degree plus 40 degree. Here 40 degree plus x plus is equal to how many? 180 degree. Means angle sum property of a triangle. Property of a triangle. Property of a triangle. 90 plus 40, 130 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. X degree is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to x degree is equal to 150 degree. Okay, children? Okay, sorry, only 50 degree. Okay. Now next, y is equal to what? Y is equal to angle SPR. SPR plus x. SPR plus x. Y is equal to 30 plus 50. Where is the x? Angle x is equal to 50. Y is equal to 30 plus 50, 80 degree. Already you know. You see, children, the angle of x is equal to 50 50 already coming. Okay, so you should put SPR. SPR, where is that? SPR is equal to value of P already you know. So that is 30 degree and X value is 50 degree, total 80 degree. X is equal to 50 and then Y is equal to 80 degree. Okay children, I am going to show these angles and property of a triangle. Now next, if any triangles, so bisect the angles. Okay, let me got it means we should triangle cut the two parts of the triangle, means half of the triangle. That one is the example 8. In figure 3.8, the sides AB, sides already you know sides of the triangle AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D. Okay, in ray respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and BCD, only last area is there, no, that only consider respectively, meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree, means right angle triangle minus half of the angle BAC. Okay, solution. So we should cut the rays. Okay, why? Because the triangle is not, means two triangle is there, but AE one of the ray and AD one of the ray. First AB and AC, this is the sides of the triangle. So all ray BO is the bisector of angle CBE. Okay, that is the solution is there, and BCD solution is there, and 1 by 2 1 by 80 by 180 by 2 minus 1 by 2 z by 2 coming. Okay, you should copy this problem. All also is there. You can't understand means I will explain that. Okay, easy is there by means using cancellation method is there. Okay children, last one is therefore angle BOC is equal to 1 by 2 into 180 degree minus x. All also problem is there. You should copy neatly in your notes. Okay, you should draw figures neatly. Example 8. Okay, you should copy in example 8 problem. Now next we shall go to the exercise problem. Exercise 3.3. Okay children, exercise 3.3. Some examples problem is there. You should copy 81 problem. You should notes only you should copy. Don't forget demonstration. You should copy the problem. Okay, this is the you should copy. Exercise 3.3. Exercise okay children, exercise 3.3. So in figure must and should given in geometry figures. You see in figure 3.39 sides QP and RQ in triangle PQ are produced 2 points S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 degree is nothing but obtuse angle triangle, and PQT is equal to 110 degree, nothing but this also 110 degree is nothing but obtuse angle triangle. Find triangle PRQ. Find out the PRQ. Okay, you should write the solution. So you should write the figure. You should draw figure in master should. In every questions, figure is there in geometry. T, this is 110 degree. This is expanded, produce. P, here, this is S. T, Q, R. Okay, this is 110 degree. This is 135 degree. Okay, children. So you should write down solution. Angle SPR. Angle SPR. In question is that SPR and RPQ. minus 135 degree. 180 degree minus 135 degree. 180 degree, 135 degree. So 10 minus 5, 5 only. 7 minus 3, 4 only. 1 minus 1, 0 degree. Okay, angle RPQ is equal to 45 degree. Have you got it? Now next we should take the another one. Angle PQT. PQT plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Angle PQT is equal to 110 degree. So angle PQR as it is 180 degree. Okay children. So here angle PQR is equal to 108 degree minus 110. How many? Angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Okay children. 70 degree in triangle. In triangle PQR. PQR. In triangle PQR, angle PQR. How many? 3 sides. 3 angle is there. PQR, QRP plus RPQ is equal to how many? 180 degree. 180 degree. What is this reason? The angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle RPQ. Okay. Angle PQR. How many? 70 degree. Angle QRP plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle QRP plus 70 plus 45. How many? 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here angle QRP is equal to, so 180 degree, 115 coming in equals after means minus 150 degree. Angle QRP is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree means what? How many? So 65 degree. Total 65 degree. Are you understood? Angle QRP. Therefore, angle QRP is equal to 65 degree. Okay, children. Have I got it? This problem. So angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree is there means you know means so solving easily. Okay, have you got it? Now next in second one. In figure 3.40, angle x is equal to 62, angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisector, means bisector means half of the triangle of angle XYZ and the angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find the OZY and angle YOZ. We should solve the problem. Okay children, so we should read question neatly. Second one problem. You should draw the figure. 54 degree. This is Z. This is Y. This is X. Okay, children. This again one problem. In the triangle, you should write the triangle solution. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Reason: the sum of all the angles of the triangle, all the angles of 180 degree. That only discussion that in this session. So how many is that? 62 degree plus 54. 54 degree plus angle Z as it is 180 degree. You should add 62 degree plus 54 degree. Okay children, we should add 4 plus 2, 6 and 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, 116. Okay, angle Z is equal to 180. So in angle 16, 116 plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Angle Z is equal to this 116 coming equals after means 180 degree minus 160 degree. Okay children, so angle Z is equal to how many? So 180 minus 160, so we take carry 10 minus 6, 4, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6, so 0. How many? 64 degree. Okay, now next, here angle XZO is equal to OZY is equal to 64 bisector. Otherwise, you should take 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 twos are. How many? 32 degree. The angular bisector is an angular bisector. Why? Because in coming triangle, one triangle in middle coming another triangle. Bisector. Bisector. Okay. Now next X Y O is equal to O Y Z is equal to 54. Where is that in 54? Here. Y value 54 degree by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 7. How many? 27 degree. Why? Because angular. This is also angular bisector. Angular bisector. Okay children, now we got it. Angular bisector in triangle. In triangle OYZ. OYZ. In triangle OYZ, we should take OYZ plus YZO plus YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Sum of 3 angles. 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So already you know OYZ. OYZ how many? 27 degree. OYZ plus YZO 32 degree plus YOZ. Okay, 180 degree. You should add 27 and 32. 27 plus 32. So 9, 59. 59 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree minus 59. How many? So 121. Angle YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Okay. Therefore, I will write here. Therefore, angle OZY is equal to 32 degree and YOZ is equal to 121 degree. 121 degree. This is the answer. Okay. We should see the book after we should write. Okay. We should write the questions neatly. After we should write the answer. Now next we shall go to the how many questions is that? Total 6 is that. Now next in figure 3.41, if AB parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and CAD is equal to 53 degree. Find DCE. Okay children, find DCE. Have you understood this? So you know addition, subtraction, you know means and cancellation method. You know means problem is very easy. You don't know means problem is very difficult. Okay children, now next we shall go to the fourth one question. Sorry, third one question. We should do the figure. Okay, A, B, this is 35 degree, this is C, this is D, 53 degree, this is E. Solution. So we should write angle BAC. BAC is equal to angle CED. CED is equal to 35 degree. Why? Because alternate angles. Alternate angles. Why? Because alternate angles. Okay, children. In triangle, which triangle is that? In triangle CDE. CDE. Angle CDE. CDE plus DEC plus CED. CDE plus DEC plus E. Angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle. So in CD is given how many? 53 degree plus angle DEC plus angle DCE. DCE is equal to 180 degree. In 53 degree plus 35 degree means here C means only one straight line is coming, otherwise so 35 degree plus angle DEC is equal to 180 degree. Okay, you should add 35 plus 53 degree plus 35. 8, 5 plus 3, 8. How many? 88 degree. Plus angle DEC is equal to 180 degree. Angle DEC is equal to 180 degree minus 88 degree. Okay. 180 degree minus 88 degree. Okay. So 10 minus 8, 2. 17 minus 8, 9. So how many? 92 degree. Angle DEC is equal to 92 degree. Okay, children. Hence the angle DCE is equal to 92 degree. Have you understood this problem? Any doubt is there? Navya, any doubt is there? In these questions, the angle sum property of a triangle. So you mind it. The angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. So it's still homework. You do the homework. So in exercise 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So figure also is there. Fourth one also is figure there. Fifth one also is figure there. And sixth one also is figure there. Okay. And angles also is there. Okay. Fourth one, fifth one and sixth one, you do the homework. Okay, children. So any doubts? Any doubts, please ask. Ishwan. So you should do the homework. So you should copy the homework in you should copy example 8 one. You should copy the notes and you should do the homework in homework book only. Okay, exercise 3.1 page number. We will always ask page number, otherwise I will write the page number 57. So exercise 3.1. This is the homework. Exercise 3.3 page number 57. Fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Do the homework. Okay, children. You do the homework. Okay. I hope that you do the homework definitely in your home. Okay. In this session, children, I studied about the angles and property of a triangles. How many degrees is there in angles and property of a triangle? How many? 180 degree. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.